Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another road trip. Today we continued our trip and we're going to stop by in the Redwoods and later on we'll go to the Avenue of the Giants. We chose Vander Grove's nature hike because it is short and very accessible before the Giant of the Avenue. Located along the Avenue of the Giants in Northern California, Founders Grove is one of my favorite places I have ever been to in California. This short half-mile hike has so much beautiful green moss and massive redwoods that it's hard to want to leave at all. Right in the heart of the Avenue of the Giants, about 5 miles past the visitors center, Founders Grove is dedicated to the man that kept the loggers from destroying this stretch of redwoods. Ooh, so green, so cool, so fresh. I'm filling my lungs with the fresh air. Wow, look at that! So gigantic. Let's keep going. Now we can see more ferns and clover leaves. Ooh, and always watch out for the poison oaks. They're also everywhere here. So this is the cut. Oh my gosh, it's so tall. Wow, this is amazing. It's just amazingly like beautiful and so green and so fresh. Oh my gosh. Are you looking at some birds? Is that one?
Yeah, got the sunlight, so you think it's really big.
Yeah. Wow. This is one of the biggest trees. Oh my god, I can't even imagine. And this one, I think, very ancient. So moldy. And this is too like, oh my gosh, I can't even begin to think when they first like grow. Wow. Oh, you want that spot? Wow. It's like a wall, this fallen tree. Oh my gosh, I thought we saw the biggest one. Look at this. Looks like oyster mushroom, huh?
Go stand in front of it, Sophia, for perspective.
Yeah. Perspective. Go stand in
What
front
do you
of
mean
it.
perspective?
Iya, biar kelihatan bisa bedain.
Mama is right 150.
Wow. Ooh. Wood. We're moving on from this tree to another giant trees. I think everything is giant here. Gigantic trees. This is just amazing.
Apa?
Uh, timber, plywoods.
Ikan kayu, kue papan, sayur paku. Indonesia makanannya
Kalian ya strong. Debus.
kuda lumping makan kan?
Yep. Fallen tree. Wow, this is so big. That's so many. Of course, there are so many fallen trees. They're old, man. They're like 100 or 1,000 years old. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh my God. Look at these trees like falling and like breaking. Wow. This is sick. Oh my God.
That one, the big one.
I can imagine how loud the noise they made when they fell down. Wow. Look at this. Wow.
You found it. Something bigger.
Yeah. We got to see bigger and bigger trees. Wow. Unbelievable.
This is
I'll
road.
I'll give you perspective. Oh my gosh. Now you got to go through this. Look at this tree. Wow, look at the bark. It's like breaking and breaking. Oh. I think we are at the loop now because we're turning around here, going back to where we started. I didn't see poison oaks yet.
It's gonna jump out.
Whoa. Looks like a loaf of bread here. Get this.
Loaf of bread.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's like a gate, you know. Even the tree's taller than you. getting bigger and bigger every time I see this road. Wow, it's amazing. It's incredible. I think we're almost there at the end of this trail. I can hear the sound of the vehicles on the Avenue of the Giants. Wow. Yeah, this is where we took the pictures at. Yeah, we're here. Oh my gosh, this is like a very nice trail for family, also for disabled, and this is like mostly flat. This is very nice, very fresh, and then you don't have to get super tired for this hike. This is really like very easy and very beautiful, guys. So this is one of the options if you want to visit the Redwoods in California in Humboldt State Parks. So guys, this is the Founders Grove Redwoods, the Founders Grove Redwoods Trail. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.